Looking for your dream job? It all starts with the perfect resume. But what makes a resume stand out? Let's break it down step by step. First, craft a professional header with your name, contact info, and a touch of branding, like a LinkedIn profile. Next, write a powerful summary. Keep it short and tailored to the job. Highlight your skills, hard and soft, and make them relevant to the role. Showcase your work experience with clear, action-driven bullet points. Numbers and results, even better. Don't forget your education. List relevant degrees, certifications, or ongoing courses. Finally, keep your design clean. Simplicity is key. With the perfect resume, you're one step closer to landing your dream job. Start building yours today.